In Quest Marketplace, you'll find a range of virtual personas, each pre-equipped with capabilities. Here, we'll choose the Virtual Innovation Engineer. In Studio, you can explore the persona's skills and connect directly into a Teams meeting.
I have a team working on internal reporting. Can you research tools that could make the team more efficient?
I found a few options. Here are some links in the chat for reference.
Nice. Can you map this process visually?
I can't create diagrams right now. If you add the Generate Mermaid Diagrams capability, I'll be able to map this process for you.
Enrich the persona with additional capabilities. For example, the ability to diagram processes or generate proposals.
Now that you have the capability, can you recommend improvements and show me the optimized workflow?
I've optimized your current workflow and recommended options. I've shared the new diagram in the chat.
Summarize these insights into a presentation for leadership, please.
Here's a proposal presentation, ready to share.
Great. Now, what would it take to turn this into a proper solution?
To turn this design into a full solution, I've invited the virtual solution architect to join the call.
Personas can recommend and bring in other personas, expanding your virtual workforce as your needs evolve.
Hi, Sarah. I can take this proposed workflow and design the end-to-end solution for implementation.
Your personas work across platforms like Microsoft Teams, Power Automate, and UiPath. Fourth IR, build your own virtual workforce.